Welcome to Bakemas Day 4. If you haven't watched days 1 through 3, go ahead and check those out after you watch this episode. So I'll link those down below. And then today we are making another cookie in a jar mix, and it's a classic, very versatile, because I think everyone likes these types of cookies. We're making the sugar cookie. So again, you'll need a jar. Quart size is preferable. Mine is just shy of a quart, so hopefully this one fits. Cleaned and dried, of course. We'll set our jar aside, and first we need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, to which we are going to add a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So give that a quick whisk. And then we're going to spoon it into our jar. If you have a funnel, go ahead and use a canning funnel. And then I don't have one, so I just made one with foil. The first 3 episodes I used a parchment paper one, but foil works perfectly. I didn't even have to use tape. I just folded it up. And then you spoon your flour mixture right into your jar. Again, I am very worried. So let's settle this down. I'm gonna try my darndest to push this flour down as much as I can. Push out any air that's in there. Because this recipe is not just flour. And you'll feel it packing down. Now, if you have an actual quart-sized jar, you may not need to do this. Okay, I'm going to go with what we have here, and then my next ingredient I think will help me pack it down even more. Our next and actually last ingredient that's going into this mix is 1.5 cups of white sugar. So get out your handy dandy funnel and scoop it right in. Now before I scoop it all in, I'm actually going to just use the weight of the sugar to pack down the flour if I can some more, because I'm determined to get it to fit. Oh no. Shimmy, shimmy. We're gonna make it fit. Ugh. We did it, guys. Ta-da! So this is not a super exciting cookie mix. There aren't great layers, especially because I packed the sugar into the flour, and so it kind of came up on the sides a little bit. However, you can still make this jar look quite festive. So once you are finished, you put the lid on. Bake That, which is the YouTube channel that I am borrowing this recipe from, has printable recipe cards to put on your jars so that your gift recipient knows what to add and how to make the cookies. So you can go ahead and tape these on. You can make it look prettier than I did, or you can type it up yourself and put it on. You can do whatever you want. And then if you are new to my Bakemas series, these gift tags, you can see I only have 3 left on this sheet, are from the Dollar Tree as well. They have jingle bells on them. And then I have bows. So don't forget a gift tag, slap a bow on top. So that will make your somewhat bland looking sugar cookie in a jar look more festive. You can decorate this jar however you want, but this is just a great idea. Sugar cookie is a safe cookie mix to give anyone, especially if you're not sure what they like. And it's a great idea to just be a little crafty and save some money. You don't have to spend a lot of money on the jars. Again, I got these from the Dollar Tree. You don't have to use glass jars. If you watched my Bakemas episode 2, I ended up using a plastic container just because it didn't fit in my jar, and you can still see the layers with a clear plastic container. If you're interested in seeing the future gifts in jars that I'm going to be sharing over this Bakemas, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so that you get notified when I put out the next episodes. And again, if you haven't seen Bakemas episodes 1 through 3, click on the playlist that I have on screen here, and I will see you guys there. Thanks for watching.